Hey everybody, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show how much traffic we got on Redbubble from automating our favorites using the favorite automation tool. For those who don't know, a couple videos ago, I'll just go ahead and search it so everybody's on the same page. A couple videos ago, you can search for Autopilot Passive Income, the YouTube channel. You could go over here and take a look at our video 7 days ago. We did an experiment showing doing favorite automation. So for those who don't know, literally just type any keyword into the search on Redbubble, go to the newest designs, and automate some favorites to be done. So I'll just show you how this works. You open up the favorite automation tool, turn it on, it will refresh the page, set up the settings that you're happy with, and go ahead and begin automating. So you hit the like, and it will begin doing it for you. So what we did was 250 likes, and just yesterday I made a video proving how it does improve your ranking on Redbubble. So over time, generally what doing favorites does for you is that when you favorite other people's accounts, you get favorites back. When you get favorites back, your work gets ranked higher than the competition over time. Of course, this is, like I said, we've talked about this, and we beat the dead horse yesterday about 20 times talking about this yesterday. Like I said, showed you in the videos, we showed it, I proved that we ranked higher, etc. So today I'm going to be showing the traffic. How much traffic did we generate? So obviously, first of all, let me just stop this because this is distracting me. But essentially, let's go ahead and go to, where is it here? View dashboard. And I could just show you guys here. We have 97 unique visitors. I could go ahead and take a look at my shares, 1 share of traffic. Let's see, can I break this up? Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. You guys could basically see how it looks. There were a few comments of people saying we want to see the traffic. I'll just give you guys the breakdown. We had 18 from social media, 16 from Redbubble, 9 from other, 44 from organic, and 10 from direct. Now, I just want to be clear. The only thing I did was doing the favorites, okay? And we did a total of 250 favorites. So if you guys want me to just read what the definition of each one is, Redbubble traffic represents visitors that land on your Redbubble shop or product listings from Redbubble generated activities such as marketing emails, paid advertising, affiliates, blog, etc., and any searches. That's the Redbubble traffic, which is 16 visits. Here we have organic, and we got 44 total. So let's see here. Organic traffic represents visitors who land on your shop or product listing from any search engine such as Google, Bing, or Yahoo. This means that the visitor clicked on a search result, not a sponsored ad. Okay, now be clear, guys. I'm not sure if there's errors in this or whatever because I did not connect this to Google Analytics. But even if you tried to search for my shop, you wouldn't find it on Google. So, it's only been a couple days old, like 4 or 5 days old. So, I don't know, maybe a week old at maximum. But anyways, let's go ahead and continue. So that was organic. Let's see what the direct was. Direct, we had 10 total visits. And let's see what direct traffic represents visitors that land directly on your shop or your product listing by either typing your URL into the browser's bar, clicking on a bookmark, or clicking on a link in an email or message. This kind of makes sense. This could be even my traffic, even though it says here my shares. I wouldn't be surprised if that's my traffic, but who knows. And then finally, we have other, which is 9, and we have social media, 18. Once again, I don't know how we got social media. It says social media traffic represents visitors coming from social media platforms to the Redbubble shop. This includes Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, etc. I never put the link of my shop in any description on YouTube or Tumblr or Instagram or Pinterest or Twitter or Facebook. So once again, this is traffic that's being acquired, 18 through social media. I never, like I said, when I showed this shop, Never once did I put this on YouTube as a link. So I'm not sure how I got the 18 social media, but hey, it is what it is once again. And then finally, we have 9 at other, and other represents visitors coming from links that appear on different sites. This could include traffic from websites, news sites, forums, etc. Once again, this is not something that I did. So all I could basically say is, and this is just further proof that whatever this tool does, it creates a storm of traffic. That's really what it does. I mean, you come down to it, it creates a storm of traffic, whether it be short-term, long-term. Now, they've said, and I've said this before, in the instructions, documentation, whatever you want to call it, on their page, if you go to botsandapps.gumroad.com, you click on the Redbubble Automator. I'm not sure where they said it. I know I read it before. They said that it's supposed to be used long-term. So let's see here where it is. We might as well just pull it up live. Am I missing something? Let's see. This tool will be consistent growth over... Oh, here it is. Okay. So, all right. So it says this tool will lead to consistent growth over time. If you are looking for a tool to use for only 1 month, it's highly recommended that you change your approach and be ready to use this tool consistently for over 5-month periods to notice significant results. High rankings over time lead to greater sales. So there you go. I mean, the tool is designed to give you some growth over time. Maybe it was customer support that said 8 to 10% growth month over month. I'm not sure. But either way, like I said, this was an account that I did absolutely nothing on. The tags were tagged incorrectly on purpose. Okay, I want to be clear about that. I wanted to make sure I didn't get any quality tags. You look here, I only included 1 or 2 tags per photo. I could just show you this zebra one, for example. Let's see here. The tags here. Zebra, zebra stripes, zebra. Like, I did not do it right on purpose at all. But it just creates a storm of traffic. So, traffic doesn't hurt. If anything, it helps. You guys saw how the rankings get better and everything. And for those who are curious, yes, we still are getting a drip feed of favorites. Just from those 250 favorites. So, we got some favorites done yesterday. We got 2 days ago, yesterday again, 16 hours ago, 15 hours ago, 17 minutes ago, 16 minutes ago. So there you go. That's kind of what you can expect off of 250 favorites. Try this yourself. Try it month over month over month. My biggest suggestion is, like I said, if you're hard on money, try to figure out where you can best invest your income, right? So, for example, if you're making like $100 a month on Redbubble, try to see, okay, where can you invest your money? What can you do? I think mathematically speaking, a tool like this is a bargain. You're talking $9.99 to automate your favorites. And like I said, guys, the whole point of automating favorites is that you get the attention back. When you get the attention back, that will come in the form of, as you guys saw, traffic. That will come in the form of favorites. When you rank higher, you get more sales, etc. So that's really it. Hopefully I answered the question for you guys on how much traffic we received from those favorites. And so hopefully this video helps out. I mean, I had a few questions about people saying, does it help you generate traffic? Does it generate traffic? So you guys saw the details here. All right. And like I said, this was off of 250 total visits, 250 total favorites. So I set it to do 120. If you guys look here in the settings, I set it to do 120 likes total. That was 120 times 2 plus 10. So I basically, the one page from and I could just show you guys what I'm talking about. When you do the favorites, most of the times at least, if you go over here to newest, and it doesn't matter what you search as long as that there's enough content or enough data, but 120 designs are on a page, right? So after it finishes one full page, it's 120. When it goes to the next page, that's another full 120. Then it goes to the third page, and it does 10. So that's 100 or 250 total, right? Because 120 plus 120 is 240, plus 10, 250. So 250 likes. These are results, a drip feed of likes over time. Like I said, I like to go super, super hard, and it just generally makes sense why people do this. I've shown the store Raven's Design. I've shown other stores before that do this in the thousands every day. They're doing literally thousands and thousands of automations a day like this, and they're reaping the results, and they don't necessarily maybe have to go out and create art every day, which I do have a different video I want to make on creating art and talking about that, but that's a different video for a different time, all right? Hopefully this video helps out. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye.